Look what I got in. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my Crazy Creative Life. In today's video, I got in the July 2026 Bargain Bead Box. This time, I did not go and watch any sneak peeks, and I even kind of steered clear from our little group. If y'all have heard me talk about Bargain Bead Box, how you can go to their Facebook thing, and anyway, we go there and show what we made and different stuff, and she has like a contest and whatever. Anyway, I've even stayed clear from that because this time, I don't know, last month I was really wanting to see what was going on, but this month I really want to be surprised. So I don't know anything that we've got in this month's kit. So let's go ahead and get it open and see what she sent us. Okay, we have Rainforest Relics. Okay, so we've got some jungle going on here. All right, let me open this up. And if you want a sneak peek, there's a sneak peek. Let me open this up and get everything organized, and I'll be right back. Here we go. Number one, we have approximately 32 millimeter.
Kumbaba is pronounced Kumbaba.
Okay, so we've got, I just Google, we've got 32 millimeter Kumbaba Jasper carved rose pendant, or he said Kumbaba. I can't say it. Kumbaba. I'm not making fun. I'm just laughing at myself. Okay. All right. That is pretty. Can you all see the rose right there's the drilled part? Kumbaba. We'll say that because I can't say Kumbaba. Kumbaba. See, I gotta do it. All right. Number two, we have 7 to 8 millimeter Kumbaba Jasper English cut faceted beads and 7-inch string, and it retails for $6.99. So this is a new Jasper to me. I told you all I'm still new, so there's gonna be things I haven't seen before, and this Kumbaba Jasper is one. But it's pretty. I like that color cream. Let's see, I'll get that in a minute. It's like multi-creams in there, actually. I see why she said jungle. It looks like a jungle. Okay. Number three, we have 6 to 7 millimeter turquoise green magnesite dyed rondelle beads on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $6.99. Ew. Number four, we have 15-inch strand apatite nugget beads on a and it retails for $7.99. I swear we've had that. Is it apatite? Apatite. It was weird too, but I don't remember it being this color. I just remember trying to say that dang word. But these are really pretty. I really like these. That is really pretty. But I really do like that. It's kind of a turquoisey, and then a little bit darker blue, and actually it almost looks like that almost looks like a royal blue. Or I mean, not royal, but I don't know, there's different colors in there. It almost can look purple, a little bit of yellow or gold. These are really, really pretty. Number 5, we have 8mm red agate dyed round beads on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $4.99. we had some of these with ours. What was it? April, May. It was the sunshine one. I forgot what it was. Yeah, some sunshine. Because it made me want to sing that Beatles song. Number 6, we have 10mm Kambaba Jasper matte round beads on, and they retail for $2.99. Okay, so these are the matte ones. As you can see, these are the shiny ones. Well, it really changes the color, doesn't it? Number 8, we have 4 pieces of 13 to 14 by 9 to 10 millimeter agate dyed heat treated druzy barrel beads, and they retail for $4.99. Oh, those are pretty. Yeah, I can kind of see jungle. I also kind of see like African vibe to that too. Those are pretty. Yeah, I really like those. Okay, number 9, we have 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted fancy rondelle beads in varied olivine crackle on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $4.99. Those are pretty. I don't know what my husband's watching, but it's loud. Number 7, we have a 4.5 by 2 millimeter synthetic turquoise man-made rondelle beads on a 14.5-inch string, and they retail for $3.99. Number 10, we have a 6 by 5 millimeter crystal English cut rondelle beads in green vitriol. Oh, I love vitriol. On a 9.5-inch string, and they retail for $3.99. I also like English cut. Yeah, those are beautiful. Do you see just how pretty vitriol is? I love it. It's one of my favorite finishes. Look at that. Oh, man. Gorgeous. I could just look at those about all day. Those are so pretty. Number 11, we have a 21 by 8 millimeter enameled brass hammered oval charm, and they retail for $2.99. Oh, that's cute. Number 12, we have 2 pieces of 12 by 17 millimeter Monstera leaf charms in jungle green. They retail for $1.99. Those are cute. Yeah, I like those. Number 13, we have 4 pieces of 27 by 14 millimeter Monstera leaf links, and they retail for $2.99. That must be that type of leaf. I'm probably sounding really stupid right now, but oh well. We all can't know everything at all times, can we? But yeah, they're little links. But that must be that type of Monstera leaf. Next, we have number 14, 41 by 35 millimeter leaf pendant in antique bronze patina, and they retail for $2.99. Number 15, we have 10 grams of 4 by 3 millimeter glass saucer beads in dark orange, and they retail for $2.99. Number 16, we have 4 pieces of 20 by 22 millimeter spiral charm mix in antique bronze and patina, and they retail for $2.99. Those are cute. Number 17, we have 10 grams of 4.5 by 3.5 millimeter cubic rondelle spacer beads, and they retail for $2.99. Number 18, we have a 10 millimeter leafy bead caps, and they retail for $2.99. Those are big. I guess they'll go with those. What in the world is he watching? Like that. Number 19, we have 2 sets of 26 by 31 millimeter toggle clasp, and they retail for $2.99. Okay, they're a little bit different. I've not seen one like that. Huh. Number 20, we have 1 meter of 6.5 by 2.5 millimeter Lumachina chain. Then she's given us a bonus. We have a 2-piece brass pinch bells. And those, she's probably given to go right there on that. Like that. Well, I'm not going to do it just yet, but you get it. You get what I'm trying to say. Okay, so this is definitely different. But I like it. I'm interested to see what I can come up with using this. No, it's not my strawberry one, but I still like this. And it's like with anything, there's going to be months that you get something you absolutely just love. Then there's months that it's like, okay, you know, that's nice. That kind of makes you grow, you know, as I guess a jewelry artist or whatever, you know, because it's a little different than you're kind of outside your comfort zone, but that's okay. It's how, like I said, it's how we grow. So I do like this. I don't hate it. It's different, but I don't hate it. I do think it's pretty, especially these things. I love those and those. But anyway, this is July. Let me get this moved back over. This is July 2026. Let me pull you down. That way you can get a little bit better look. But this is July 2026 curated bead box. And curated bead box, if you don't know, is like any other bead box company. They come out with a theme each month, and then they curate the beads to match each other and to match that theme. With curated bead box, you've heard me say that there is a retail price of $1.99, $5.99, whatever. Well, let me put you back up and I'll show you. They send us this paper, and it tells everything that is in our kit for that particular month, along with the retail price and then the total value of the retail price, which this particular one is $86.80. We don't pay that. If you become a member with Bargain Bead Box, then you will pay $24.99, may as well say $25 a month, and you get all of that for that price. And also, which is, you know, a wonderful deal in itself, because there ain't no way you could go to any kind of retail store and buy any of this for that amount of price. I mean, it would cost you probably that, maybe even more, because, you know, she kind of gets, I think, deals and then passes it on down to us. Another thing that is good with Bargain Bead Box, they have a sister store, which is Bead Box Bargains. And on the flip side of this paper, there is a coupon code. So you can use that coupon code throughout the entire month. So all of July, if I want to go back and buy any extras of what this is, or anything else for that matter, then, you know, I'll go total up my value and use that coupon, and I'll get 30% off. But the good thing is, I can use that as many times as I want. So say I do an order this week, you know, 2 weeks down the road, I might want to do another order. Well, I can use that coupon again. It's not a one-time deal. You use it as many times as you need to throughout that month, and it's still 30% off each time you use that coupon code, which is fabulous. I think it's just something wonderful that they do. So with all that said, I will have a link in the description box below. You can go through that link. That will go, you know, through me to them. You know, you like that little fishy, but it goes through me, through me to them, because I am affiliated with them. And that just lets you know, hey, I watched April's video and I like what I saw, so I'm coming here through her to order something. And I don't think you, especially if you were new at this, you won't be, even if you're an old jewelry artist, you won't be upset that you have bought this monthly kit, because it's just absolutely, I mean, they amaze me. They really do. So anyway, that is all for July 2026 Bargain Bead Box. I wanted to bring you along and do this unboxing, and I can't wait to get started on it. So appreciate y'all hanging out with me, and I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.